Welcome back to Procurement Doodles, where Sri Lanka's procurement guidelines come to life, one doodle at a time. In our How to Select a Consultant series, we've covered everything related to selection methods of consultants. But before you can choose a consultant, you need to answer a fundamental question: how much should it cost? Today, we're looking at cost estimation and budget, the absolute foundation of any smart procurement. The cost estimate was based on the terms of reference. The more detailed your TOR, the more accurate your estimate. A mismatch between the cost estimate and the TOR misleads consultants. So preparing the estimate is an interactive process. It may even lead to revising the TOR. Every cost estimate has two main categories. First, remuneration, the consultant's staff time, based on expert months or hours. Second, other expenses, travel, transport, office rent, equipment, surveys, printing, taxes, and contingencies. These are then split into foreign and local costs when international consultants are involved. Remuneration rates include basic salary, social charges, overhead, and fees or profit. For international staff, there are also allowances and home office support. Use realistic rates, not the highest international rates, to encourage fair competition. Other expenses cover everything from travel and staff allowances to communications, office rent, surveys, report printing, taxes, and duties. Don't forget contingencies, 10 to 15% for unforeseen work and inflation. When expatriates are involved, split costs into foreign currency, expatriate salaries, international travel and imported equipment, and local currency, local staff, in-country transport, and office supplies. This gives a complete picture of the assignment's economic footprint. Once your cost estimate is approved, it becomes your official budget. That budget then determines which selection method you can use and which committee has authority. That's cost estimation and budget. Simple, right? Next, we'll walk through a real procurement process from start to finish. Stay tuned. Smart procurement builds a better Sri Lanka. See you next time. Hey, if you want to never miss a future upload, hit that red subscribe button, then click the bell icon right next to it. From the pop-up, choose all notifications. That way, every time we drop a new video, you'll get an instant alert. Let's grow together. Subscribe and turn on the bell now.